This is shockingly good. Kamusta guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm back. This channel is all about drugstore, local, and affordable products. And for today's video is another episode of Quarantine Diaries, which is still new in this channel, where I will be talking a lot while creating looks, doing skincare, or declutter. This is me welcoming the new normal, and for today's video, I will be creating my work from home makeup. I am a 9-to-5 kind of gal, but this makeup will also go for online meetings, webinars, online dates, and for your TikTok videos. And I'm still doing the triple woes. And it doesn't stop there. I am doing a giveaway with Belo SunExpert! Of course, the full details of the giveaway will be in the end of this video, so you better watch out. And without further ado, let's start. Okay, so let's jump right into our primer. I'll put a little dot on my fingertip, and then what I usually do is that I massage it onto my fingertips and then pat it on the bigger pores that I have, which is usually my T-zone. You wash your hands or sanitize your hands before putting it in your face, okay? So I did mine, so you have to do yours. And for our foundation, guys, this is the first time that I'll be using their products. This is from Belo SunExpert. Yay! Thank you for sending me these. Okay, so one of the things that they gave me is this Belo SunExpert Perfect Shield Tinted Sunscreen. Intrigue ka. Now here's the thing, it doesn't have a shade range because it has the Tone Adapt technology. What? That evens out skin tone, meaning whatever shade that you have, it will adapt to it. And this is a big deal for me because as a morena, I usually have struggles when it comes to BBs or foundation because it's always a little too white for me, or it doesn't even out with my skin tone. I am excited with this one and to be amazed because of the Tone Adapt technology. Let's jump right off with the claim. So, get superior sun protection plus a flawless no makeup look. So use alone for instant perfecting coverage, meaning also your blemishes, the dark and red spots that you have will be covered. So any skin imperfections that you would have, this baby would cover it. This has sun protection plus makeup in one. In short, this is a perfect foundation substitute. This one has SPF 50 and PA++ to ensure broad spectrum protection against harmful UV rays. SPF 50. If we're going to compare it to other makeup brands or other makeup products, this is relatively higher. It's also light and easy to blend with your fingertips, no applicator needed. I would like to treat this like a sunscreen because it's a tinted sunscreen. So usually when you put sunscreen on, you just use your hands and no makeup brushes needed, right? They sell this one for 2 sizes, and get this, it is so affordable. The 10 ml is only 169.75, while this 50 ml is 449.75. It doesn't even reach your 1,000 or 500 peso budget. This has a lot of claims, but there's only one way to find out if those were really true. Guys, let's try it already. I don't know if you can see it, but it's this one. Dab, 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 dab. So you usually put sunscreen on your body like rubbing it off, right? But in your face, you always dab it because some of the girls, I don't know, this one works for me, but I always have makeup on already before I put the sunscreen on. So I usually do this so that it won't ruin the makeup. Second one. You know what I noticed is that it really smells so good. It doesn't smell like your usual sunscreen. I cannot say, but it's like lotion. Not citrusy, but it smells so nice. I like it. Even how the product sets on my face, it's not tacky like other sunscreen. It's soft and dewy. I kind of like it. Okay, so first things first, one of the things that it says is that it is tone adapt technology. Does it? Yes, it is. You can barely see the difference. Amazing. And has already covered some of my blemishes. My red spots are gone. I'm out of words. Because I wanted to add some more for my blemishes, I will do that. I had how many dots? 2? And the coverage, wow, this is amazing. We've seen the difference, so we're going to put on the right side of our face. If I will be comparing this one to the other makeup brands, this has a higher amount of product on it. It has 50 ml. I don't know about you, but most of the foundations that I have are either 10, 20, 30 ml, but not 50 ml. And then it usually costs much higher than the 449.75 of Belo SunExpert. That's a lot. But one of the things that I am excited about this is that during swimming, I don't need foundation on. Because this is already a substitute for it and already acts as a sunscreen. I do feel like I'm putting on moisturizer or lotion in my skin. It's not like I'm putting on foundation. I only had how many dots? And this is 50 ml. And only 449.75. And this is what you get. That says a lot, period. For my eyebrows, what I usually do is brush first my eyebrows. Now this is a must. Kilay is life. Do not forget about it. So let's hit this eyebrows for your T-zone area because we're gonna bake a bit. Usually up until midnight, so this is necessary for me. Okay, so for baking, I'm going to use this Belo Baby Talc-Free powder. This is the first time I'll be using this product and I am excited and nervous at the same time. So without further ado, let's go to the claims. So made from finely milled rice and maize powders that absorb moisture to keep baby skin soft, fresh, and dry. Baby skin. Baby skin pa to, guys. It does a great job at absorbing oil, keeping skin matte, and is less likely to leave a white cast than talc powder. These words are like music to my ears because as a morena, I am very careful with baking because it leaves a white cast on. And because they made this for babies, they carefully formulated this one without talc, gluten, phthalate, parabens, dyes, and most common allergens. So I know some who has an allergy to talc as well. So this one is good for you. Hypoallergenic dermatologist tested, perfect for all skin types. I know a brand who is hypoallergenic but costs so much more. It's pretty expensive for me. It doesn't quite pass the drug queen's elimination round when buying makeup products because it's really expensive. But this product that has 65 grams of powder costs for only 219.75 pesos. Is it usually like this? What? Punong-puno. And I can see how fine the powder is. It says here that it has guys, you can nagbabasa. You can check. You know, meron siya yung parang sa wet wipes. May ganyan. Okay, so it has a puff included. Oh, cute! There are a few dots where the powders will come from, so you just put in the little dab in it. You have it already in your puff. I wanted to use this puff powder as well, but it's too big. So kapag nag-baking tayo, masyado siya malaki, right? So the trick is, you can just fold it into two. So that you can go to the areas that you wanted to concentrate with. It smells so nice! Like fragrant powder. What? So what can we do? It works. And fold it into two. Yes! So we'll just repeat the process. Tinted sunscreen is also setting up so well. Bye-bye eye bags. I love how it sets to my skin. I think I'm gonna smell like a baby for this makeup tutorial. Okay, and because we wanted to try out if this really leaves a white cast on, we are gonna put some more. Of course, if you're gonna use this to your babies, don't use the puff powder. Gosh, she used a beauty blender for this one. I am like a white canvas right now. So later on, we will brush this off and check if it doesn't leave a white cast. Just pray that it won't leave a white cast on, please. Thank you. Now here's the catch. They have a limited bundle on Shopee where if you will buy the Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen, you will get Baby Belo Talc-Free powder for free. And it only costs for 449.75 pesos. Guys, you save 219.75 pesos to get this. That sounds like a really good deal to me. But if you don't have the budget, you can join my giveaway. I got you. Setting that aside, we are going to put on some eye gloves. Yes, I put on eye makeup. Sometimes it's not a crime. And we are going to go for a nude makeup. Going to use the first pair would be this two. Subtle lang ang gagawin. Okay, so for the brown, we are going to put it on the outer corners of our eye. It's going to be like a V shape, but very, very subtle. Blending is key. Yes, a little shimmer. Won't hurt. Put that on the inner corners of our eyes. Okay, so we are going to put now a small wing. Just a small wing. This is the simplest lashes I have with me. Okay na yan. Mukha naman totoo. Ito na yung pinaka-simple ko talaga. So, pasensya na kayo, guys. For the powder, yun na siya. Ganyan na siya nag-set in. And walang pagka-white cast na naganap. Para siyang nag-blend perfectly with my skin. Such a great substitute as well for your setting powders. Now moving on to our contour, because I'm already satisfied with my baking powder. I love this shades. Yes, I do contour sometimes. So blending is key when it comes to contour so that your viewers won't recognize. Now to put some color to our cheeks. Since summer, I have switched to powder makeups because unlike in the office or outside, there's aircon. And I usually use cream contours or cream products or cream blush on, such as cheek tint when I'm outdoors. But here inside the house, I'm using more of the powdered contour. Got some here. This is a trend in TikTok. And to finish this look, I am going to use my go-to lipstick. I use this in the office more often than not because it gives a subtle color. Okay, now for the finale, let's just put in the middle. Now I am ready for anything. This look would look good with everything. I also love the Belo products with this look. I can say that the Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen is a great substitute for your foundation. It's really light on the skin. And also Baby Belo Talc-Free powder is a great substitute as well for your setting powder. As you can see, it sets so well with my makeup. Again, they have a limited bundle on Shopee where you get this too for only 449.75, so better check that out. Now this is the part that you've all been waiting for. We are gonna give away one limited bundle of one Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen and one Baby Belo Talc-Free powder to one lucky winner. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, follow @jug.queens and Belo SunExpert on Instagram, share this post to your IG stories, and comment down below why you want to win. This is open nationwide up until July 9, 11:59 p.m. And the announcement of winners will be on July 10, 2020 on our IG stories. So you better watch that out. And that is it all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. It's all posted right here, and our past videos are all right there. Guys, join the giveaway and you can win this limited bundle from Belo SunExpert. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck on the giveaway, and I'll be seeing you next week. Bye!